Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the HP 15sfq5022ns laptop. In this tutorial, we will break down the repair process into manageable steps, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. First, let's start with the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and avoid damaging any components. Once you have your tools ready, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws, a small container can help with organization. With the screws removed, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. Once the panel is off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. This is a great time to perform a thorough internal cleaning. Dust and debris can cause overheating and performance issues, so gently clean the fans and vents using compressed air. Next, let's check the RAM and hard drive. If you're experiencing performance issues, reseating the RAM can sometimes help. Carefully release the clips on either side of the RAM sticks and gently pull them out. Inspect for any dust or damage and then reseat them. If you need assistance, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's move on to the hard drive. If you're replacing the drive, disconnect it carefully from the motherboard. Ensure you have the right replacement drive compatible with the HP 15sfq5022ns. After installing the new drive, connect it securely back to the motherboard. If you find the process overwhelming, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without hassle. Remember, our service includes a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After reassembling the laptop, replace the back panel and secure it with the previously removed screws. Make sure everything is tightly secured to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to us for support. No calls, no travel, just simple and efficient service. Now you have a better understanding of how to repair the HP 15sfq5022ns laptop. With the right tools and our professional services, you can keep your laptop in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.